That'll do it.
We put it off as long as we could, but the time has finally come to replace the pickup screen on the Cruster, or some people call it a decaker.
It's really not that bad of a job, but I think you helped me with that old Cruster. You don't think you did? I think
so. The hurricane went through about 30 minutes ago, so that's why it's windy and the audio is probably not great.
The hurricane will be home in about 2 hours. Cheering.
We thought we were going to wind up getting hit by the hurricane, or we at least thought it was going to be a lot closer, but it ended up going a lot farther east in Georgia. We probably got 6 to 8 inches of rain.
Working?
Yeah.
Landing where it needs to land?
Kind of. Give it a second.
Go in there. Good?
Yeah. Hold on. Time out, Tiger.
Doing perfect.
It just needed a timeout, Ray. It was trying to pull back under.
Ready?
Yeah.
Good?
Give it just a second. All right.
Good?
I think so. You don't have to. It's off.
Is that it?
It's off. It sure was a good idea of mine to put those forks right there.
None of that was your idea. That was all mine.
No.
How are you going to try to take credit? True or false? You said put a pallet under there and let it fall on the pallet, and I said, well,
I said put a pallet or something there. This is or something.
Y'all see what I put up with? He missed his calling as an attorney, and it's never too late. It's never too late.
Too late.
Now's the time to work on any of that. It's actually not that bad to put the chains are all in one piece as long as they sent the right ones. Hey, do remember this. There is a left and a right on the chain. You wouldn't think that because it looks the same, but it's according to how those welds are turned. Did you know that? Mm-hmm. You didn't know that.
I knew that because when we ordered those links, you had to order a left and a right.
Mm-hmm.
Reckon how necessary that is.
That's
right
Curtis
there.
Lover, and that's what he would be doing.
Out of all the things you could be doing.
Well, I'm doing something. What are you doing?
I'm talking to our viewers. Easy, Tiger.
When I drive out there, don't try to take credit for my idea.
It wasn't your idea. So we ordered a new screen from John Deere. Chain's supposed to be in there. Let's hope it's right. Well, looks like we got 2 chains and hopefully all the nuts we need. and the screens. I'll have to look at these screens because I don't remember how many different kinds there are. Some of them have these little tabs on them. That one has 5 tabs on it. I feel like some of them have 3 tabs on them. And then some of them maybe have no tabs. Yep, so there's a no tab. And 1, 2, that's 5 tab. Do you remember how many different types of screen there are? I thought there was a 5 tab, a 3 tab, and a no tab. Was there just a 5 tab and a no tab?
I didn't see any of those with just holes in them.
Yeah. Just the no tab?
That's just, that changed it, man. You know how those other ones had like
oh, the little circle holes?
Yeah.
No. We're getting everything laid out. 4 different types of the pickup bars. There's a 6 peg. There are 2 types of 5 pegs, and there's a no peg. You have 49 pieces total. 24 are no peg. There's no instructions, but we're figuring out a pattern now to where we put it together. This is what Eric's coming up with.
So these have smaller diameter holes. That's a 1 inch, that's an inch and what, 5/8?
Mm-hmm. Inch and a half.
Inch and a half. So this lets more litter through. This carries more litter. But that would be a 5 with a close hole, a no peg, a 5 with a big hole, a no peg, and then a 6. Then you go back,
repeat,
start the pattern again. Lewis Brothers may need my guidance.
We tried to call Lewis Brothers, but it keeps saying all circuits are busy.
Perfect.
They were on the east side of the hurricane. Is it Helene? Helena?
I call it Helen, and my grandmother passed away not too long ago, and I think she came back in a hurricane.
Hurricane Helene, Helen. So they may not have power right now. I mean, I like your pattern.
Yeah, I just don't know if it's the right one. I feel like I'm in the military toting. They call it a pig.
All right, let's don't get too crazy.
Machine gun. Get some more.
Hold on. Just hold what you got. Where you want to attach it? Up here where I am?
Yeah. How's that look, Cook? Is it anywhere close?
Need a few more inches. I'm sure it's got a lot of slack in it on that bottom side.
How close are
We're in real good shape right now. It's just, if I take my elbow off this one piece, it's gonna drop.
I got it.
That's
I mean, they'll even touch right there.
that top one.
Gee, look at that, boy.
That top one won't go anywhere. It's just the bottom one, I think. Or is it rolling?
I got it. Ain't nothing going there. Well, get something to pull that pin with right there.
Let me tap it out. You got it?
Just tap it in.
No comment?
I'll just hang out here.
All right.
I don't even know if you loosened this thing over here. It moved a quarter.
It moved a good bit.
A quarter. And That thing looks pretty sweet right there, I ain't gonna lie.
Should we talk about how good I did with that chain first?
Don't go back to the chain. $14mm. There you go.
We got our first section on. We're considering section 5 pieces. Everything looks good so far.
This one goes on next. I'm gonna bring the hose. Benjamin had to cut out and go pick up the children, so I finished up the screens. Went pretty easily. Got one little pattern off, but I don't think it's too tight. We'll just run it a little while and see what it does. That probably took a couple hours, so it's not that bad. It's not a big job, but that should last a long time, I hope. Those screens are expensive. I mean, that's close to a $5,000 investment just for that pickup screen and chains. But when you price out one of these crusters now, it's a whole lot cheaper replacing parts. So there you go. Pretty simple repair, not much to it but some time and wrenches, and definitely helps having two people because one can stay on each side. It'd be a lot of walking back and forth if you did it by yourself. You could do it, but two people definitely make a difference on this project. So there you go. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments. If not, have a good day. I'll see you on the next one. God bless you.